Alright, check this out. Here's my KTM 890, dirt and all, hasn't been washed. I went riding on the 28th of December, but I haven't been on the bike since. Been having a lot of knee pain. I'm scheduled for a full knee replacement on February 3rd, and I've been kind of taking it easy, but I was sitting here pedaling this thing, this recumbent bike, trying to keep my knees mobile as I wait for surgery. But nonetheless, I was looking at this rear tire. This is a Motoz GPS Tractionator rear tire. But take a look at that thing. What you will see, and I put a gauge on it, I measured it, and there is 9.4 millimeters of tread left on that thing. And so this tire's done really good. I've been very pleased with how this tire's done, with the longevity and the traction. The traction has been excellent, and very, very satisfied with the traction and cornering, handling, smoothness, quiet, goes down the road. Very pleased with that tire. So let's sit down. I'm going to sit down at the computer and let's do a quick analysis of how this tire is really doing. Keep track of the maintenance on my vehicles. I use Google, and in Google I go to Google Sheets, where I have a workbook set up. I have a workbook for maintenance records. And in my maintenance records workbook, I have a series of tabs in Google. And you'll, in this tab, I can go over here. Here's the 890 KTM Adventure R. On the Adventure R, I have my maintenance records. So when I do something, I can put a date in, the miles, and notes about what I did. I can calculate an interval in column C. And in this case, I want to see how many miles we've gone since I put the Tractionator GPS tire on. So to do that, I go to this cell, I hit equals to start creating a formula, and the bike has 10,887 miles on it now, and I'm going to subtract the starting miles, which was 3419, hit return. There's my miles. That tire has 7,468 miles on it. And that, I would say, is excellent, in as much as the tire still has good traction. It's got 9.4 millimeters of tread left, and I'll continue to run that tire for a while. And based on the performance, I am very pleased. I would buy another one just like it. This is interesting, this tab here, the Rides 2014 KTM. And I started doing this many years ago, just writing down my rides, the date, where I went, and then I keep a note who I rode with. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed the information provided on the Motoz GPS tire, and I hope you get some use out of the information on how I track maintenance and how I track improvements I've made to the bikes. And so with that wraps this up, and we shall see you in the next video.